Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off everyone tag on Facebook. So let's get started the video. First open Facebook on your smartphone, then click on the menu icon. Scroll down and then tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From Preference, tap Notifications. Now click on Tags. Make sure get notifications when you are tagged by friends of friends or friends selected. Then to turn off at everyone, take notifications simply turn off the button beside batch everyone mentions. So there it is. That's how you can turn off everyone tag on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.